We spent our summers at a Jewish spot, Old Orchard Beach, Maine. And it was the meeting place of the Boston and Montreal Jewish communities, literally. Because for Montrealers, that was the outlet to the sea, right? Old Orchard Beach was the most northernmost town that would take on Jews from hotel guests at that time. So, and so when the yontos would come early, it would cut our summer, time at Old Orchard Beach off. At the beginning of August, go home. My dad would need at least 4 weeks preparation. If it came regular time, I may leave a week or two early. Or if it come late, Baruch Hashem, we get to stay until Labor Day, or just before Labor Day. So, I mean, those are, people we interacted with other Jews. Actually, we actually interacted with some Orthodox people, which you don't see today. It wasn't people being apart. It wasn't, I was remarking to my wife yesterday that there was an Orthodox family that lived on our street. It wasn't, we weren't all follow each other in love, but we recognized each other as Jews, and I think that would be kind, that much respect. And so things have, since 1979, kind of like become a little more self-segregating. Yeah, as I said, it was a meeting place of the Boston and Montreal communities, with a few oddballs thrown in from Indiana or somewhere else. Somebody came in from Western Ontario. So it's kind of like you are subject to learn things like the Montreal kids would talk endlessly about smoked meat. But we also learned that in Quebec at the time, there wasn't any public school. So everybody went to yeshiva. And I got to, be friends with other people in parts of the Jewish community. Like in those days, you didn't go to Sharon. Often saw friends from Sharon. I have friends from the North Shore. So we got to know the different aspects of our community itself.